Right guys, how's it going? Let's have a look at a little bit of English steel here. Bit of Sheffield steel. We got a classic Barlow, English Barlow. This is A.Wright Son from Sheffield, England. And I've been in Sheffield quite a few times in my youth. I used to live in the north of England. We've got nice brass liners here, brass pins, English oak. Nice bit of English oak there. Nickel silver bolsters, good solid bolsters. Now this is 3.5 inches closed. And look at that shape, it's nice. Nice shape there. Let's open her up. Nice big nail pull. Doesn't really have a half stop, but it kind of comes to that position. Listen to this snap, real positive snap. Beautiful snap to that. And the blade length is 2 3/4 inches, and it's C70 Carbon Steel. Pretty little knife, huh? I've got XL hands, and pretty much get all 4 fingers there. Good for, you know, sharpening twigs or whatever. And also, look at that belly on it. Nice bit of belly to it. Good for slicing fruit and vegetables or whatever. Yeah, real nice bit of belly to that. See how the cut is down here and your handle's up. Makes it perfect for food prep, stuff like that. Yeah, just a comfortable little EDC, traditional EDC. Nice little knife. I love the way the clip fits into your hand there for closing it up. Nice positive snap. There you go guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you later.